How to logging into your Bendigo Bank online banking account. Hello everyone, in this video I'll be guiding you through the process of logging into your Bendigo Bank online banking account. To begin with, open your web browser and in the search bar type bendigobank.com.au. This will take you on the official Bendigo Bank webpage, which offers a wide range of personal and business products, including credit cards, home loans, business loans, insurance, and bank accounts. With the online banking account, you can monitor your account balance, transaction history, access e-statements, and transfer money between your accounts. Once on the official webpage, locate the login option at the top right corner of your screen. This will take you to the login page of the bank account. To log in, provide your access ID and password in the designated fields. Then click on Next. If you happen to forget your account credentials, you can click on I forgot my password, which will redirect you to a web page where you can recover your account credentials by following the instructions provided by the bank. And that's it. You should now be logged into your Bendigo Bank online banking account. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching.